Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Crystal DIY. So in today's episode we'll be learning how to make car diffuser, and if this is what you want to learn to start business in this 2025, like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel in order for you to get notified whenever I post video. Turn on your notification bell. Yes, so if you have been following me on this channel and you've not learned something that will fetch you money, I don't know what you're doing. Just learn something. If it is liquid soap, laundry soap, anyone at all, even this car diffuser, you can start this car diffuser as a business. You make it and package it in this beautiful packaging bottle and start selling. If you don't know how to get your packaging bottle, you can call me, you can chat me on WhatsApp number on the screen so that I will give you a contact of the person that is selling it, or I can even help you and buy. So the first ingredients that we are using for this production is isopropyl alcohol. Yes, can be called IPA, an essential oil or oil perfume. Any essential oil you see, these two ingredients is the main ingredients for this car diffuser. This isopropyl is good because it diffuses faster more than ethanol or any other alcohol. And this is our packaging bottle. Do you see how beautiful it is? Nobody will even know that you are the one that made this car diffuser. Do you understand? And this wood cover is porous in nature, kind of. It helps it to diffuse faster, right? So with this you are making your money and you're selling, right? Nigeria is so hard. In short, there is inflation everywhere. You need multiple sources of income. So learn anything from this channel and start making money out of it. You will see the measurements on the screen as you're watching it, right? On how to make it. Just mix these two ingredients, get your packaging bottle and package it immediately and start selling immediately. There is inflation, things are getting difficult and harder every day, so you need multiple sources of income, right? Then I decided to add menthol to my own. It's not must you add menthol to your own, but I wanted to have this menthy kind of scent. That is why I added it, right? So all you need is isopropyl alcohol and your essential oil or oil perfume, anyone at all. Just mix 2 or 3 perfumes together, right? It's not must it's one perfume. You can try to go for one perfume, or once you get to perfume shop, you ask them you want 2 or 3. You get one kind of unique perfume. When you add 2 or 3, nobody will know what exactly you miss, but have a paper that you write those perfumes so that next time you will still get the same signature of perfume again. So this is me adding its color for you to look colorful and beautiful. You can use pink color, you can use blue color, you can use purple color of any of your choice. You can use, if you're making your own, use oil soluble color. This is actually water soluble color. And I noticed that when it comes in contact with sun, that it changes color. So use oil soluble color, right? I couldn't get oil soluble, that is why I use water soluble. So but this is me telling you, when you're making your own, use oil soluble color. It will come out fine and beautiful. And try to add it little, don't add it plenty, right? Add it little, don't add it plenty. If you have been following me in this channel and there is nothing you will learn, you will tell me that you've learned in this channel. We have videos on perfume making, body spray and all that, laundry soap. We teach people, we mentor you on how to produce your laundry soap as a professional. We sell cutting machine. Just start something. If you're stay at home mom, instead of you and you don't have money to rent a shop and all that, just subscribe to this my channel. You'll be getting information on business you can start at the comfort of your home. Do it yourself and sell. That is why here it's called DIY, do it yourself. So this is something you can do at the comfort of your home and sell, and you start cashing out immediately. As long as you know how to market it on your Facebook handle, market on your WhatsApp status, market on your TikTok, market on your TikTok handle, anywhere. Just start selling. Like you are seeing me, I'm not doing one business. I do a whole lot of business. Anyone that enter we take, because Nigeria is so hard. Things are getting difficult. If you don't sell this one, you sell this one. If you don't sell this one today, you sell that one today at the comfort of your home and with the help of social media. Social media has made things very easy for us. You can make this and supply to stores. Just package it very well with this nylon. Nobody will even know that you are the one that made it. They'll be thinking that maybe they are importing it for you. The way you package it and everything, right? There's a lot of people that is making ends meet with this car diffuser, right? So try to get something to make. You cover it with your lid and this wood cover. It helps it to come out well, and you start selling. Just with these two ingredients, you start selling and you start making profit immediately. Please, if you're following me and you've not gotten something value in this channel to start selling, please start today. Watch all my videos. You will see the one you will find attractive, that the one your soul lines with. Start making it in this 2025 and start making money. Anyone at all. Is it liquid soap, laundry soap, hair shampoo, hair cream, whatever? We have the tutorials in this channel. You can learn and start making. Thank you for liking this video, and thank you for sharing this video, and thank you for subscribing. For my returning subscribers, I love you. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for staying by. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.